Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with a clean 8, 5x11 or A4 sheet and a clear workspace. Fold the paper lengthwise and open it so you have a center crease. This guides every subsequent fold. Next, fold the top 2 corners to meet the center line, forming a triangular nose. Make sure creases are sharp so the nose is stiff. Once done, fold the resulting tip down about 1 inch to lock those corner folds in place and prepare for the precision shaping that follows. Now you shape the body so it zips through the air. Fold each outer edge into the center line so both sides meet neatly. This narrows the fuselage and increases stiffness. Then fold the nose forward one more time, compressing the tip into a slim wedge. This concentrates weight forward for stable flight. Once that's done, fold the plane in half along the original center crease with the nose outside. Keep creases tight and symmetrical so lift and balance remain even on both wings. Finish by creating the wings and adding small winglets for control. Fold each wing down so the leading edge aligns with the bottom of the fuselage and leave a 1/2 to 1 inch upturned winglet at each tip. That stabilizes roll. You should test glide with a gentle, level toss and observe trim. If it turns left or right, snip a tiny bit from the opposite wingtip. If it dives, bend the trailing edges up slightly to add lift. These small tweaks fix common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.